So here I've logged into Reclaim Hosting and I'm in my client portal area under cPanel. And this is where you can access your websites, different applications, download applications, create subdomains, and access your files and backups. Basically, this is the portal to all of the different elements of your Reclaim Hosting website. And so here you can see WordPress as really one of the most popular applications that you can put onto a Reclaim Hosting domain. Another one that y'all might be familiar with is Omeka, which is a software used to create a digital exhibit. So I'm going to click on Reclaim here, and you can see we get to this Installatron. And here I'm able to install this application on a new, say, subdomain. And you can also see the applications I already have. So when I click here, you can see I've got my own personal website here. This link takes me to the website itself. This link will take me to my WordPress dashboard where I can be building the website. And then here I've got a link for support. And I've also started creating a digital storytelling showcase. And for that, I created a different subdomain under my main domain. So here you can see that subdomain is digistories. And then it's on top of my original domain, lmharding.com. And this is where I will plan to collect my students' digital stories and create a public showcase for them later this semester.